Welcome to a brief introduction to the social networking site, Facebook. My name is Jessica Schultz. I'm from the Coon Rapids Lions Club, and I will be presenting to you today. Before we begin the project, we are going to need a couple things. We're going to begin with a valid email account, a good password, and a few good pictures of your club events, fundraisers, that sort of thing. And we will need a short but thorough description of your club, activities, things to draw people to the club. All right, let's make this thing happen. All right, we're going to go to facebook.com. www.facebook.com will bring you to their sign up page. You will use the information on the top there, enter your name, first name, last name, your email address, the password. You'll select your gender and your birth date. We use the charter date of the club, so it'll be easier to pass on the Facebook page if somebody else would like to do it at some point. And then you'll just click sign up down at the bottom of the page. The next page you come to is the option that Facebook gives you to sign up as an organization. So you'll click sign up as an organization, and then you will click the type of organization that you are, and then enter the name of your Lions Club, check the box, and click get started. The next page you'll see is a little bit of an authentication page. You will click I do not have a Facebook account. This is the primary page for people who have not had an account before. Enter the email and password again, the charter date of the club, and then the CAPTCHA. Down at the bottom, that is basically authenticating that it's you creating the account. You'll read the terms of use and privacy policy and click sign up now. This page is the page where you upload the picture that we talked about earlier. So you'll go into upload from computer, find the place where you have your photo stored, upload the photo, and click save photo. That'll bring you to the page next here in the setup of your Lions Club account to the brief description of your Lions Club. At the bottom is another space that you can add a website or a Twitter account or any other social networking that you may need. And then once you're finished, you'll click Save Info, and it will bring you to your new Facebook page. This is your dashboard on your new Facebook page. And I bet you're wondering why it looks like this. This is a more developed Facebook page. This is the page for the Coon Rapids Lions Club. Basically, it shows the activity and people commenting on your page, people liking the posts that you click. But if you don't have fans, then you don't have people to like your page. So what we'll need to do is find some friends. We are going to find some friends using an option at the top of the page there called Build Audience. So the way we're going to build audience, since we're new to Facebook, is by using our email email contacts through the invite email contacts link. So you'll choose your email type, click find friends, and it'll pop up with a list of the people in your email account. You just select the people that you'd like to share your Facebook page with, and send off it's essentially an email from Facebook. Once they get that, they can choose to respond, create their own Facebook page, or follow your Facebook page from their account on Facebook. And there you go, quick 5 minutes or so. That is how you build a Facebook page. I'd like to encourage you to come and visit us at coonrapidslions.org to see how we use our Facebook profile along with our website. And there you go. Thanks for listening today. I hope it was informational. Thank you again.